Hello loyalties and friends. Today I am going to share with you how I decorate my mantle for the Christmas season. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me and the rest of my loyalty family members. By clicking that subscribe button down below, you can also join if you have not yet done so. Also be sure to turn your post notification bell so that you're notified of all new uploads. So now you'll see what I'm going to do is share with you how I decorate my mantle, you guys. And this was kind of difficult to try to film because when I'm in the groove of decorating, the last thing I think about is turning on the camera and trying to get certain angles. So it's probably not the best footage, but I did my best. So you guys let me know in the comment section below what you think about this mantle when it is all said and done, and maybe some suggestions of what I can put on the top portion where you see that canvas picture at. Okay, so what I've been doing is trying to put my mantle together for the Christmas holiday. So I used two of these, gosh, what are they called? The Garlands. I used two of these Garlands to kind of thicken it up because I got one cheap one from Roses for like $4, and I got another one from Walmart for like $8. And so I'm going to just try to build up my garland myself opposed to going to the store and buying one that's very expensive. That way I can decorate it to my liking and to my needs. So, but I'm going to share with you guys some of these other items that I picked up from Michael's Craft Store really quick that I'm going to add to this garland. So I just want to give you a really close-up look of some of the things real quick. Okay, first of all, these are mainly just picks and flowers that I picked up from Michael's. And I have a few of these. Let me get them together. So I have these picks here that are super cute, really pretty. And I have 3 of them. I didn't need a lot because I just want them to stick out on the garland, like, you know, here and there, somewhere, something like that. But this is what it's like, and it's like in that rose gold blush pinkish kind of look color. I have these beautiful flowers here. I have several of these. I'm just going to show you probably about 3 of them. Show you three of them, but they're so gorgeous. I think I have 6 of them in all. These here. Now y'all look at these. This is a gorgeous right here. There are $6 per stem, if you can see, and you see how pretty that is. Look at that flower with all that detail and shimmer. And I don't know if my camera is picking up the prettiness of the color, because it is like so pretty. But anyway, I have 3 of those. I have 6 of these actually, and so that's how they look. They remind you of those Z Gallery flowers just a little bit, but so pretty. So I'm going to use those up there as well to go with these. See, it's going to be so pretty. And I also picked up some glitter mist. Now these came from Roses actually. These picks right here came from Roses. I'm gonna have to kind of fix them up a little bit because they've been in the bag and they all squished up now, but they were $1.99 per pick, and you can kind of see how that looks. Okay, I got these picks as well. They were $2 per pick. Not bad, right? $2 per pick. You can shape them a little. And they I've seen picks like this at home, and the price is almost about the same. So I got those. A lot of glitter fall out, y'all. Glitter everywhere. And then I also got these from Michael's. These poinsettias here. These are $12 per flower. I mean per bushel. Let me see if I can show you. But I got it when it was on 40% off. See? 12, but I didn't pay 12 for mine because I got it 40% off. This is how pretty it looks. Can you see that? Isn't it so pretty? So I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to use these. I may put them on my tree. I may break it down and put it on my tree. I may break it down and put it up here. I don't know. I just want to share it with you guys real quick. Some of the things I'm going to be putting on this mantle. Here's the rest of my flowers. So, all of this, I'm trying to build my garland, mantle garland up with. And I'm going to add some lights and some bulbs as well. So, all right. So, I'm going to go ahead and decorate this and share with you guys how it looks. So, just keep watching. Alright, so now I'm taking my lights and I'm adding them to my garland, and yes, I am doing this in or out of sequence because really I should have added my lights to my garland after I put them together. It'd have been so much easier. So now I have to try to put the lights on and work around my picks that I've already inserted into my garland. And I did not make my balls permanent on the garland because I may change them out. I'm not sure, but I just wanted them to be able to be sitting. So I kind of like moved the branches around to where they're like kind of holding the bulbs. So they're not going anywhere unless someone put their hands up there and touch on it. And the kids don't know. The kids know that that's a no-no. So I shouldn't have any issues with this. So I'm adding my lights, and then I'm going to continue to decorate. So I figured out what I wanted to do with my poinsettias. I decided that I'm going to add them to my garland because I think it would add a nice little touch of luxury and make it even more prettier. So that's what you're going to see me do now. Alright guys, so I'm going to pause for a second to share with you these beautiful reindeer statues that I picked up from Rose's store. And I think that's what it's called, Rose's store, Rose's department store. But they were in there and they come two in a pack. They were only $20 for the two. And I absolutely love the way they look. They have white LED lights attached to them around their collars. And I just wanted to show you how they look. So I'm going to take them out the box for the very first time right now with you guys on camera. And they got little sparkles of iridescent glitter on them. And it kind of sort of a champagne or off-whitish color. Anyway, they look absolutely beautiful, and I just want to share them with you. I'm going to place these on my mantle, so that's where you're going to see them go. So here they are. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here is the reveal of my Christmas mantle 2018. I absolutely love the way it looks, you guys. I think it is so rich and luxurious and just so beautiful, so glam, so elegant. All of those things, you guys. I absolutely love them. And you can see where I added those acrylic Christmas ornaments from the Christmas shop. I let them dangle down below the mantle from the Garland. And I thought that also added to the elegance of this look, as well as these picks here, these silver glitter picks. All of that ties in to the reindeer's neckline, which is blinged out, as well as the candle holders where they have the bling on it as well. So anyway, I absolutely love it. You guys let me know what you think about it. Did I do okay? Is it too much? Is it not enough? Just curious to know your thoughts, but I absolutely think it's perfect just the way that it is. So you guys let me know in the comment section below. I hope that I inspired you to get decorating and get your mantle up if you haven't already done so. And also, you guys, I will be doing some more Christmas decorating. You guys give me a thumbs up if you would like to see more Christmas decorations. I have to still put up my tree, and I have some other places around my home that I would like to decorate. So if you would like to see that, then give me as many thumbs ups as you can. If I get at least, let's say, 100 thumbs ups on this video, then I would definitely share with you guys me decorating my tree or some other area for Christmas in my home. Alright, I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you have not yet done so already. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Love, peace, and blessings. Bye-bye.